My name is George Schafer. My company is SMS Auto Parts Company, and we make parts right outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Our product is a unique crossbar system for vehicles. What's unique about it is that it's the only system that works with soft top and hard top. So soft top being a convertible. So we have a product that mounts on the vehicle under your soft top. So when you take the top off the Jeep, the racks are exposed and you can load up anything you want on top of it. It allows you a really, really good point to tie down to. And of course, whatever you put on there now sits above the windshield. So if you're loading a canoe, a kayak, lumber, plywood, and then you close your top when you're not using it, and it has zero effect on the aerodynamics. So the crossbars themselves, the installation on the Jeep is very, very simple. You put the top down on the Jeep, you take the crossbar, you set it on top of the factory crossbar, and then you use your stock hand bolts. Jeep gives you 2 hand bolts that come with your hard top that you're not using. So you literally just, we put our threads in the exact same place, you tighten the hand bolt down, and then it is ridiculously strong. I mean, you can shake that and the whole Jeep will shake, and it takes a total of about a minute to install with no tools. It's the same thing for the rear crossbar. And one additional benefit is the quick clip feature. The pieces, the accessories that click in, I mean, they're literally just a push pin. It's so simple. You just press the pin, take the kayak piece, click, and that's it. The core market that we found is the Jeep market. There's no question about it. The next market that we're going after is the lifestyle market for vehicles. It's people who love their vehicles. And with the solution that we have with soft tops, you're gonna see things you've never seen before. So a guy's gonna be driving down the road in a Ferrari with his road bike mounted to his convertible Ferrari, which he would never otherwise put a crossbar on, but because we have a solution of a bar that goes underneath the canvas, he's gonna pull it down on that same nice day and then go out riding. The biggest takeaway that we can get from this, just being a semi-finalist, and of course even going further as a finalist or winning, is getting other people to see what we have and to see how committed we are into the product and into the business.